The Tifgalop ES7 Pro is a high-performance full-suspension electric mountain bike built for adults seeking power, precision, and comfort on all types of terrain. It's equipped with dual 750W supermotors, delivering a combined power output that offers impressive acceleration and sustained climbing capability. With 45 Nm of torque available within just 2 seconds in its 3-speed mode, the ES7 Pro ensures quick responsiveness and strong propulsion, ideal for tackling hills or rough trails. Its sine wave structured motor supports smooth transitions between 5 different speed levels, giving riders the flexibility to adapt their performance based on terrain and preference. At the core of the bike's endurance is a 52V 21AH battery composed of advanced Samsung SDI 18650 lithium cells. These high-density cells are encased in a quick-detach sealed unit with an IPX6 waterproof rating, ensuring durability against rain, splashes, and muddy conditions. With UL 2271 certification, the battery offers reliable and safe power delivery. Its removable design allows for convenient indoor charging without needing to transport the entire bike, extending ride time and reducing downtime. Safety and braking are key highlights, with front and rear hydraulic disc brakes using 160mm rotors. These brakes provide strong, consistent stopping power, regardless of weather or terrain, ensuring safe descents and quick halts when needed. For added safety, the ES7 Pro includes a responsive integrated taillight that automatically flashes during braking, clearly alerting others even from 50 meters away in the dark. Comfort is a major focus, with a dual suspension system that combines a front fork and rear shock absorbers. This full suspension setup absorbs shocks and vibrations from rough surfaces, minimizing fatigue and enhancing stability during longer or more aggressive rides. The bike is outfitted with puncture-resistant 26-inch fat tires that offer superior traction and durability, capable of rolling smoothly over snow, grass, gravel, or uneven trails. These wide tires contribute to a smoother, more stable ride and reduce the likelihood of flats caused by sharp objects or rough ground. For user interaction and monitoring, the ES7 Pro features a 5-speed multifunction LCD color display. This vibrant high-definition screen provides real-time feedback on speed, battery level, distance, pedal assist mode, and more. With its sharp visuals and intuitive interface, it enhances the rider's connection to the bike, making performance tracking and control effortless and enjoyable. Blending robust motor performance, advanced battery technology, reliable braking, and rider-focused comfort features, the Tifgalop ES7 Pro is a top-tier electric mountain bike designed to handle both city commuting and off-road exploration with confidence and control.